What's up, everybody, and welcome back to an all-new exciting episode of Conflicts. Today we got something quite interesting. So right now we're about to steal a package from my house, but watch this. This here's a very interesting security system. Casually walking up here, looking around, and that's our package right over there. So.
Stop! This is Deep Sentinel Security. Your image is being recorded. Police are being notified.
Okay, I'm out of here. So literally, just like that. Oh crap, we got the sirens. Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new exciting episode of Conflicts. In this episode here, we'll be looking at a brand new security system by Deep Sentinel. Now, we normally don't review security systems, but this one here is particularly tech-savvy, I like to say. Mainly because it uses live security guards around the clock to go ahead and protect your particular location. Now, the way it works is kind of interesting. So, for instance, imagine somebody coming up to your house to steal your package. The Deep Sentinel folks will go ahead and say, "Hey, can I help you?" And if they feel it's deemed almost like a threat, they'll go ahead and call 911. Now, that is quite interesting, just because imagine yourself on vacation and you look at your phone and you see some notifications and somebody robbed you. It's already practically too late. But they actually go ahead and fix that issue by making the necessary approaches before you could even think. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing this kit, trying it out, and even putting it to the test run in terms of trying to break into our own house. Now, if you guys wanted to learn more about it, feel free to check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what they sent. Alright, so this here's the box that they sent. It's actually pretty heavy, so just keep that in mind. And this here's the kit that comes with 3 cameras as well as the hub. So let's go ahead and open this up. Whoa, nice! Oh, all right, so first thing first, we have ourselves a nice looking sign. So this here is a Deep Sentinel sign we can go ahead and mount in front of our house so people know that our house is guarded by Deep Sentinel. Now, we also have ourselves a quick start guide here. Says no other camera sees farther or faster with less than 250 millisecond wake up time to record, 1080p HD recording, night vision, PIR motion, sensing up to 35 feet, 130 degree non-warping field of view, more than 325 feet of Wi-Fi to connect to the hub. So that's actually kind of cool. So we can go ahead and lift this up here. All right, and then over here it says no one says stop, quite like we do. It's got a 104 decibel siren and speaker, so that's actually the loudest available, with a 2-way speaker and mic for a real-time intervention. Intense strobing red and white alarm lights. Surveillance experts speaking directly to intruders to prevent crime, and no one sends police faster than they do. So, all right. And then it says finally a system that thinks before setting off an alarm. So it has smart AI human surveillance team that creates an intelligent perimeter, local AI and hub, not a cloud, meaning lightning fast processing. Now it's also got a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 SoC processor. That's actually pretty quick with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabyte flash memory. Now the AI analyzes 10 frames per second and adapts to surroundings, and it is the fastest and most powerful home security ever created at this moment. So pretty fun stuff. Oh wow, so we have ourselves 3 cameras, our hub, and then a quick start guide. So these here are the cameras. Now, the unique thing about this particular camera is the way it looks. So it's not your traditional camera. The main unit itself is right over here. So this here is the camera portion of it. You do have some sensors, and then you have this 2-way speaker that you can go ahead and communicate via microphone. And then over here, they can talk to you back as well in case if there's an intruder. And then over here, you have a unique LED ring. So this here will blink red or turn on red in case if there's an intruder or if it detects any kind of motion. Now, in order to put the battery pack in, all we have to do is go ahead and turn this cap open just like this. And then the way you're going to do this is you're going to take the battery pack, slide it in just like this, put the cap in, and screw it back on, and you're all set. Now, there is a sync button here on the bottom, so you simply press this button here, and it'll connect to our hub. Just like that. Now, we also have our install kit. We also have ourselves some Deep Sentinel stickers, which we can go ahead and place around the house if necessary. We have ourselves the camera mounts, which actually look really nice. And then lastly, you get a screwdriver, which you can go ahead and mount it up as well. So it does give you the full kit, which is kind of nice. Okay, and then we have our connection. So in terms of connection goes, we have ourselves a power port and Ethernet cable cord. And then this here's our hub, which actually looks pretty sleek. So that's kind of cool. So this is essentially the brains of the operation. Now it works via a power adapter that goes right in the back, as well as connecting to your internet via an Ethernet cable directly into your modem. Now, in terms of the unit itself, it's got a nice, classy, sleek kind of look to it, but also has an additional purpose besides just connecting everything together. If you go ahead and lift this up right over here, you'll see that it has a spot to go ahead and charge our batteries. So you just go ahead and take your battery pack and just go ahead and place it in here, and you can go ahead and leave it on charge and use it about. Now, it does come with 4 batteries, so you do get an extra battery you can always keep on charge in case one dies out. Now, the unique thing about these particular batteries is that they last about 2 months, so you don't really have to charge it so often. Now, over here, you'll see that it has a power button, privacy mode, and a connection mode. So you can go ahead and just use these buttons in addition to just simply doing it through your app as well. Now, so clap back on, and pretty much well set. So yeah, that's about it. So this is everything that comes in this kit. So you get the 3 cameras, you get the hub, and you get a sign. And then yeah, let's go ahead and set this thing up next and try it out. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and mount it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount it in front of my door. This is generally where they leave packages, so it'll be a good, safe spot. So this is the mount that they gave us. It comes with mounting screws, and it also comes with a screwdriver. So pretty simple setup here. So you just go ahead and slide this up, just like that. So this slides up and down, and you just go ahead and mount that screw right over here in between. And you put it against a wall or something like that. Even comes with a drill bit too, in case if you have to drill into some kind of like stone or some kind of nature like that. So let's go ahead and mount this thing up and try it out. All right, so I think I'm gonna pick probably this spot right over here. It looks like a good spot to mount this. All right, that is definitely not going anywhere. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and connect to it by pressing the button in the back. And then from there, we'll go ahead and slide this into place.
Camera connected.
All right, our camera is connected. And then from there, the rest just kind of clips into place, just like this. And kind of tilt it based on the angle that we like, and voila, we're good to go. All right, so the way we check how it works is by simply putting our hands up like this.
Hello, this is LiveSentinel Security. Confirm your request for a response.
That's awesome. Thank you.
No problem, sir. Have a great day.
You too. And it's that simple. So literally, you have live guards on the duty watching your house around the bout. Now you can go ahead and enable the privacy mode by simply clicking this button right over here, and now the guards cannot see us anymore. So it's actually a pretty cool aspect, or a pretty cool style and design. Now you can always go ahead and set up different motions and different capturing. You can even go ahead and live see exactly what you're seeing. So if I click on this button here, I can see exactly what the camera is seeing, and you can see that it's got a nice wide angle lens, and it actually showcases everything as well. All right, so in addition, you can go ahead and adjust the coordinates. You can go ahead and create like a parameter, and essentially this will go ahead and trigger the alarm or trigger the guards based on where you exactly want it to be set. So if I want it just from this point to this point, this will go ahead and notify the guards or have them actually see exactly what's going on. All right, so it's time to go ahead and put it to the test. We are here outside right in front of my house. I put a package right over there, and let's see if they actually can catch me from stealing from my own house. All right, casually walking up here, looking around, and that's our package right over there. So.
Stop! This is LiveSentinel Security. Your image is being recorded. Police are being notified.
Okay, I'm out of here. So literally, just like that. Oh crap, we got the siren. That is awesome. So you can see how that works out right over there. And you can, obviously that was a staging, but thank you so much guys, appreciate it. All right, well there you guys have it. So kind of gives you an idea exactly what that's all about. So they have people watching around the clock, and then the moment it triggers it, they say they're recording you, they're calling the police right away, and then they play a siren. So you can imagine being someone who's going to steal your package, or break into your house are probably gonna be really, really scared. All right, guys, well, there you guys have it. This here's the all-new Deep Sentinel security system. Definitely state-of-the-art and has a unique bit of technology, I have to say. Now, was it really easy to use? Yes, it literally, go ahead and put it up within a matter of seconds and you're ready to go. Now, I really do like the fact that it is kind of, you have that humanistic feature to it, so you can go ahead and communicate to these guards as you walk about, and then you also have the privacy mode allowing you to go ahead and leisure about on your own. Now, I really like the fact that you can go ahead and have your package notified to you, so when someone does deliver a package, it'll automatically notify you on your phone, which is kind of cool. And then, of course, it'll always go ahead and give you that sense of security as well. Now, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, hit that thumbs down button twice, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.